guys, welcome to another episode of the
Bubby Boys TV!
Alright, so we got some more science going on that involves an egg today. Alright, so what are we gonna do here, Aiden?
So, we're gonna see if we can put the hard-boiled egg into the glass bottle with it fitting.
Alright, you guys think that egg can fit in there?
No!
No, it looks bigger than the bottle. Why don't you try sticking it on there, see if it'll go in there. Alright, so it doesn't look like it's quite going in there at all. The egg is definitely bigger.
Flip it, try to flip it around, Ari, and see if it'll go in.
Gentle.
Nope, that's it. Okay, still doesn't go in.
Alright, so what's supposed to make that egg pull through there?
The trapped oxygen.
Okay, so the trapped oxygen, if we light a fire in there, it should pull the egg through. Let's test this theory.
So we're going to take a piece of hard paper and we're going to light it.
Alright, and this is for parents only.
We're going to put it into our bottle. And then let's go ahead and put that egg back on top. Let's see what happens.
Alright, so is the fire still burning in there?
It's still burning. It's smoking.
So we got it lit in there and it's smoking now, and she just put the egg on top of the... Alright, so it looks like the egg actually fell in there. It pulled it through. Whoa! Alright, so that was a quick little lesson on air pressure. It pulled the egg right on inside the bottle. Alright guys, what did you think of the egg and the bottle experiment?
It was pretty cool.
Pretty cool. It actually worked. I'm shocked.
We fit an egg in a bottle.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Bubby Boys TV, your favorite place for science, gaming, skits, all kind of fun stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out.
Bye. I tried to force it.
He tried to force the